In today's tooltip, I'll give you a quick overview of segments or tool segments. What exactly is a tool segment and where is it normally used? So I would say a tool segment is a tool where you have two common parameter pages. So for example, here you have a common parameter where you describe pretty much everything that's a common parameter to that particular tool. And if you look at tool segment 1, you have another common parameter page where you describe all your common features for that particular segment, and you can also assign operations to that particular segment as well. So in your operations, you have a whole lot of or a list of operations, and as you can see, S1 is it's assigned these two operations to segment 1. Now, where do you normally get the segments? So under tool menu, you've got tool segments, and you can actually add any number of segments depending on the complexity of your tool, or stick to one segment. And there is an option here as well. You can actually anchor all your indexes to your common parameters, or you can have none, and you also have an option. The distance applied for that particular tool segment is from the end of tool, or you can even have an intersect distance 15 mil. And the float also, you can give an offset if there are more number of floats. In this example, what I have here, you have actually two floats as a shear, and then it's going as a helical, and the index is actually matched in between that. So if you want to make any complex tools with more number of floats, shear to helix, or mix and match A index positions with a shear or helix or lead, or have 4 floats coming to 2 floats, etc., or any kind of complex or special tools, segment is the way to go. So I hope this is clear, and segment is not a purchase option. It's part of the standard software, and it's available to all the customers from RN33 release onwards.